Good morning again, class. Today we're doing the expanding Ballooniverse lab, and you may have guessed that one of your materials will be a balloon. We're only going to do steps 1 through 7 today on your instruction sheet from your lab, and then the next day we'll continue 8 through 11. So let me briefly walk through the instructions so you know what to do when you get to those steps. Number 1, blow up the balloon a little bit and do not tie it shut. This is important because you're going to need to blow it up more on step 3. So let's go ahead and make sure everybody, all right. Let's back it up here. Make sure whoever is holding the balloon is going to put their mouth in the balloon, knows how to blow up a balloon, because we've encountered this problem in the past, because they will be required to blow it up again. I know you guys don't like sharing germs, so blow it up just a little bit, about the size of a melon or so. About like that's good. You want to hold it shut. Step 2 says, draw 11 galaxies on the balloon and mark one of these as your reference galaxy. Now, you can do that wherever you want. A lot of kids like to draw their home galaxy right on the tip of the balloon, and they'll put a star, or you can make it a spiral galaxy, whatever the case may be. And you'll do 11 of those. I'm only going to do 3 for simplicity's sake. This will be my home galaxy, and this will be galaxy number 1, and that'll be how I'll kind of demonstrate how we'll do that. And of course, you'd number them all 1 through 10. So you have 11 in total. One's a home galaxy, and then 10 additional for 11 total. Number 3, measure the distance between the reference galaxy and each of the numbered galaxies, and you're going to put that on your data sheet. And here I'm going. This is why you need a group member to help you with this, because now I only have one hand free, so I'm going to have my friend Jack here help me out here. You're going to be given a string. With that, you will measure from the reference galaxy to your first galaxy, which is number 1, and we'll have Jack take that and compare it to a ruler, using the centimeter side, right, because we use metric units, and approximately Jack gets
9.
About 9 centimeters. So he's going to go ahead and put that on distance 1 for galaxy number 1. Now keep in mind, you're going to do this 10 times, so you'll go down 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all 10 of your galaxies. We're going to, again, for simplicity's sake, we're going to skip that step and go on to number 4. And you're going to want to time this next action. So now the universe is now expanding, and while I'm blowing this up, I'm going to have Jack count 1001, 1002, 1003 until I stop blowing up, and we'll record that time up here. All right, ready?
Yep. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006.
That's good. All right, so you counted about 1006 seconds. So you notice it gets a little faded as it expands, but you can still see where my home galaxy is and where my number 1 is now. So we do see a lot of movement. So Jack is now going to do the second measurement. Here's our centimeter stick.
So we got around 27.
27 centimeters. That'll be distance 2. Taking the difference, you get 18. And as most of you know, the equation for velocity is distance over time. So yeah, that would be, okay, 18 divided by 6, which happens to be a very nice number 3. Centimeters per second would be your unit there. Go ahead and write that, please, Jack. Centimeters per second. And that will conclude 1 through 7 for the first day. Now keep in mind, it was quick for us because we only did 1 galaxy, but you guys are doing 10. So make sure you use your time wisely. And that's it. And we'll continue the rest tomorrow.